tips. What's the best way to get high organic rank on Udemy for your courses?
I'm not an expert on that. Maybe you can answer that one.
I think there's a couple things that go into the rank of a course that we know, and it's your reviews, the recent reviews that you're getting, the actual rating of that review, so how high the score is. They take into account how many sales you're making, and they might take into other things. We don't know exactly what the algorithm is. It might take into account engagement in the course or things like that. But we know that if you look at any sort of category, I'm just going to type in a class that I don't teach, Java programming. The first thing that popped into my mind. So I'm going to look at these top courses. So the first course that pops up, it has 45,000 reviews.
Wow.
So there's a reason why this course is top, and it's because it has so many reviews. And the one thing about Udemy is that it is difficult to kind of take the throne from someone who is well established in a specific keyword. I mean, the next top course has 2,500 ratings. And then a lot of these others on the first page are in the hundreds. So getting to 45,000 ratings is going to be very hard. So I don't know if it's going to be possible anytime soon for someone to automatically come up and replace that top selling course. But I think when you launch a course, the main thing is to try to get people in there paying for the course and rating it with a high review. This is going to be easier for people who have an audience already, who they're selling the course to, or if you have an existing audience on Udemy that you sell to, because you automatically get that boost of revenue into the course that helps the ranking, and then you get students who are going to leave a review for your course. So without that audience, I think we can talk about like other strategies, but I think that hopefully answers the question: is how do you get your course to rank high? Is you have to get ratings, you have to get good ratings, and you actually have to be making sales from your course. So if two courses are exactly the same on everything, except one course has made 100 sales in the past few months, and one has the same amount of students, but all those students came from free coupons, I'm pretty darn sure the one that has actually made the sales is going to be the one that ranks higher. So yeah, anything
Absolutely.
to add about ranking?
Not really. I did recently do a course with John Colley, and I was pretty pleasantly surprised at his strategy and his approach. You know, he really took the course ranking seriously. He replied to every student's review, even good positive reviews and negative reviews. So I was very surprised to see the level of commitment that it takes to get a course, you know, ranking higher in the search engine. But truth is, that's where the money is, you know, ranking it higher and getting those good reviews and all that kind of thing. Basically, you're being rewarded for having a top quality course. So it's good stuff right there.
Yeah.